Now we are trying to learn class compound selector, meaning you are writing dot class name and again dot another class name without any space. In this case, it selects the element that has both class names. For example, we have written dot class 1 dot class 2, that is without space. So in this case, this selector selects all the tags that have both mentioned classes. That is, for the same tag, you can apply multiple classes with space separation. For example, for this particular tag, we have applied both class 1 and class 2, and this selector selects only that type of tags only where both class 1 and class 2 are at a time applied. If the tag has only class 1 but not class 2, that will not be selected. In the same way, if the tag has class 2 but not class 1, those tags also will not be selected. Let's play a game based on this. We have a set of paragraphs. For example, New York, Boston, New Delhi and Goa. These are the 4 paragraphs and all these are cities, right? So we are trying to apply a class called city for all these. It indicates that each of these paragraphs represents a city. Now I am selecting all the paragraphs. So to select all these paragraphs, I can use the tag selector, that is P. Here P selects all these mentioned paragraphs irrespective of the class name. So for all these paragraphs, let me apply background color and border. So this is the style for paragraphs, and because of float left, all these paragraphs appeared side by side like this. And now I would like to apply multiple classes for the same tag. See, you can apply multiple classes for the same tag. For example, this is a city. At the same time, it is in USA. So let me add that as a class. So the same tag now has 2 classes, that is city and USA. Let me apply the same class for the next one. But this city is in India. So let me add that as a class. Now I would like to select only the cities of USA, that is New York and Boston. So how do you point out those cities? To select those particular cities, see, first I would like to select only the cities. At the same time, those cities must be in USA. So I am just adding another class name, that is .usa without space. You should write .city and .usa without space. In case if you give space, that makes a different meaning that we will understand later in the child selector. So as of now, .class 1, .class 2. This is a syntax. You can tie up more number of classes like .class 3, .class 4, etc. But as of now, I am writing only 2. So the meaning of this selector is it selects only the tags that have class equal to city and at the same time class equal to USA. That means these 2 elements will be selected. So let's check it out. As you can see, the border has been applied for both of those cities where class equal to USA, at the same time class equal to city. This is the purpose of class to class compound selector.